If it's discharged, just plug your micro cable, charge it. And during charge, you can use it as a
Everyone, welcome back. Let's make continuity chargeable tester.
Here we have to convert these wires to a continuity tester. All you have to do is need these wires, a charging circuit, might be a small one, and this one, and the cell, using a small one like this one, and a buzzer. Buzzer you can take out from any kind of volts. So let's get started. Okay. Here's the circuit that we are using here. This one is positive and negative terminals. These are positive and negative terminals, as you can see. And we'll connect the terminal here from negative. This one is a positive terminal. And this sound will attach it as a positive. So let's press it. Solve these points with this buzzer.
Okay, as you can see, you connect the circuit, our negative battery terminal towards this terminal with our continuity tester, and the positive terminal towards the buzzer, and buzzer second port towards this terminal. And if we click on it, you can hear the beep. So it's ready. Now we just have to pack it in this body so we can use it for further.
And if it's discharged, just plug your micro cable to charge it. And during charge, you can use it as a
Our continuity charger is complete here. We just put it on charge and later we'll do the testing. I'll show the next process.
Okay, we made this tester and now we'll check that it's working or not. As you can see, it's working. Just made some plastic to hold this stuff and get any disturbance during this. And pretty bad if connection is not strong, it's just pick. Not strong. So let's hold it. Sorry. This product, non-coated product, product connector. And that's all. See you in this video. This is our final product. Charger cable and 2 terminals. That's all for today.